Natural light has the power to completely transform a home. In Conway, where sunny days and scenic surroundings are part of everyday life, homeowners are looking for smart ways to brighten their interiors while improving comfort and efficiency. One of the most effective and stylish solutions is installing slider windows. With their wide glass panels and smooth, horizontal operation, slider windows are designed to maximize light and elevate the feel of any living space. Expansive glass for brighter rooms. Slider windows are built with large, unobstructed panes of glass. Unlike traditional double-hung windows that divide the view with multiple sashes, slider windows typically feature one fixed panel and one sliding panel, or two sliding panels, allowing for a broader glass surface area. More glass means more sunlight entering your home. In living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms, this increased daylight can make spaces feel larger, more open, and more inviting. For Conway homeowners who want to create warm, welcoming interiors, slider windows provide a clean and contemporary way to let the sunshine in. Perfect for framing outdoor views, Conway offers beautiful natural surroundings, from lush greenery to peaceful neighborhoods. Slider windows help you enjoy these views to the fullest. Their wide, horizontal design creates a panoramic effect, almost like framing a living picture of the outdoors. This visual connection to nature not only enhances aesthetics but also improves overall well-being. Natural light paired with outdoor views has been shown to boost mood and create a calming atmosphere, something every homeowner can appreciate after a long day. Ideal for low, wide openings. Many homes in Conway feature floor plans with wide wall spaces or low window openings, especially in living rooms and basements. Slider windows are particularly well suited for these areas. Their horizontal design makes them an excellent fit where vertical windows may not be practical. By replacing smaller or outdated windows with sliders, homeowners can instantly increase the amount of natural light entering the room. The result is a brighter, more functional space that feels modern and refreshed. Improved airflow alongside natural light while maximizing sunlight is important. Ventilation matters too, especially during Conway's warmer months. Slider windows open easily with a simple glide along a track, allowing fresh air to circulate throughout your home. Because they can open halfway or more, slider windows provide generous airflow without taking up interior or exterior space. This makes them perfect for areas facing patios, walkways, or decks. You get the benefit of natural light and fresh air in one streamlined design. Energy efficiency that supports comfort. More sunlight doesn't have to mean higher energy bills. Today's slider windows are available with energy-efficient glass options, including low-E coatings and insulated frames. These features help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. In the summer, they can reflect unwanted heat while still allowing natural light to filter in. In cooler months, they help retain indoor warmth. For Conway homeowners, this balance means enjoying bright, sun-filled rooms without sacrificing year-round comfort or efficiency. Easy maintenance for long-term clarity. Clean windows let in the most light, and slider windows are designed with simplicity in mind. With fewer mechanical components than some other window styles, they are often easier to maintain. Many models also allow for convenient cleaning from inside the home. This ease of care helps ensure your windows remain crystal clear, maximizing natural light for years to come. For busy households, that's a practical advantage that makes a noticeable difference. A modern upgrade with lasting value beyond their functional benefits, slider windows add a sleek, contemporary touch to any home. Their clean lines complement a wide range of architectural styles, from traditional to modern. By increasing natural light and enhancing curb appeal, they can also contribute to overall property value. For homeowners in Conway looking to brighten their living spaces, slider windows offer a powerful combination of beauty, performance, and practicality. Whether you're renovating a single room or upgrading your entire home, these windows provide a simple yet impactful way to create lighter, More comfortable spaces you'll love spending time in every day.